I got a lot of questions on the international passport based on the videos I have filmed around it. In this video, I'll be talking about the 20 most asked questions I have gotten about the international passport and the questions, the answers, and I will explain them in this video. Please keep on watching to know about this. Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos just like this one, and blogs. If this is the first time of coming across my channel and seeing my face, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your bell notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for returning to watch my video. I really love and appreciate every single one of you. I will always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating videos. Doubting me, please check my other content to confirm this. In today's video, I will be talking about the 20 most asked questions about the Nigeria international passport. Please keep on watching to learn. My sprinkles, without wasting much of the time, let's go straight into the video. I have my jotter here where I wrote down all the questions I was asked and I intend to answer. Let's go straight into the video without wasting time. The first question will be, did you fill all the parts of your guarantor's form? Yes, I did. I filled the part 1 and the part 2 because there's part 1 and part 2 to the sides of the guarantor form. Yes, I filmed everything. It was actually filled by my guarantors, but we filled everything, both the part 1 and the part 2 side of the document. Okay, make sure your guarantor fills the part 1 and the part 2. Don't leave any side, don't leave any question, answer everything from A to Z. Okay, and remember, it's very important and compulsory you answer all the questions. Number 2 question is, how long did it take for you to get your passport? My answer to this question is that it took 8 weeks for me to get my passport, which means 2 months for me to get my passport. Initially, I traveled when my passport was ready, but when I came back, I went for it and I got it that day. Okay. Secondly, the passport do take time if there is limited passport paper to make the passport, so it will take time for you to get it. So that will be what will even make you waste time before getting your passport. Let's move on to the next question. Part 3 question is, I misplaced my birth certificate. What should I do? My answer to that is that you should just go to your local government and ask to get a birth certificate. When you get to your local government, they'll tell you the process to get your birth certificate. Secondly, you can go to any hospital, either a government hospital or a private hospital, and ask for the process to get another birth certificate for yourself. If they do it there, fine. If they don't do it, you can go to the local government. Mind you pay for this, it's not free. Okay, so let's go to the next question. Number 4 question is, should I get declaration of age or birth certificate? I am above 1992. All I would say to this question is, in fact, I'm tired of answering this question. So this question is that if you're below 1992, you get declaration of age, and if you're above 1992, you get birth certificate. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The 5th question is, must I swear the oath at the immigration center or can I go to a court? My answer to this question is that it's not compulsory for you to swear at your immigration center. You can also go to the court to swear, but I swear at my immigration center. But if you want to go to the court, good and fine, you can, but I swear at my immigration center because it was close to me and I don't want going about looking for a court to swear. Since it's there, let me just do it there, and I paid for it. It's not free. Just to be on the safe side, court is court. Use the one in your immigration center. Except there is no court in your immigration center, you can look for anyone around you. But if there is, please use the one in your immigration center. It's very fast, quick, and accessible. Okay, let's move on to the next question. This birth certificate, every question has it. In the day, I answer birth certificate how many times? So the next question I have, the sixth question is, I lost my birth certificate. Where can I get it? You can get it in the local government area around you. Okay. The seventh question is, where will I swear the oath? Can I do it before the appointment day? Where you can swear the oath is at the immigration center, a court in the immigration center. Each immigration center have a court there. I don't know if this is 100% true, but in my own immigration center, they had a court there, and that is where I swear the guarantors form. It has two questions. The other side to the question is, can I do it before the appointment day? You cannot do this before the appointment day because nobody will let you come through the gate and you just say you want to swear in the guarantors form. Nobody will let you through the gate for just that reason. You swear the oath on your appointment day, not before your appointment day or after your appointment day. On your appointment day. Okay, let's go to the next question. The eighth question is, I am married now. I made my passport while I was single. Can I change the name on it? And my answer to this question is, I'll advise you to not change the name. If you're married now and when you did your passport you were single, on your passport you'll be having single and you'll be having miss your name. I would just say you should leave it until when your passport expires. Then you can go and do all those changes to reflect your new position as a married woman, or as a married woman or man. But if you want to change it for the reason best known to you, I will just say that you can start the process. The process are always there. You can ask the immigration officer the process to change it, but I know the process will be tedious, but you can do it if you put your mind to it. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The ninth question is, where can I get my local government identification center? Mind you, the birth certificate is different from your local government identification certificate. The answer to this question is that you can get that in your state. You will go to your local government in your state and ask for the identification certificate. Or a subscriber said, I'll put the reply on the screen, that if you're in Lagos or in Abuja, you can go to an office called the license office and get your identification certificate there. I don't know how true this is and I've not done my research on it, but you can do your research and know how true this is before you go doing anything. Okay, so you don't say it's Donna that I didn't tell you. Just go to your state and get your identification certificate. But a subscriber said you can go to a license office in Lagos or in Abuja to get your state identification certificate. Okay, number 10 question is, what if I don't have an intention of traveling abroad? Must I include a country? My answer to this question is, just put any country you are in at the moment. You are in Nigeria, put it. And if you know you're not traveling abroad anytime soon, if you know you're not traveling out anytime soon, you put Nigeria. There's no problem there. Okay, number 11 question is my local government identification certificate compulsory? My answer to this question is yes, it is very important, compulsory, and is a must have. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Number 12 question is, which center is the best to get your international passport? My answer to this question is, don't put me on this spot. I don't know. Just do your passport anywhere. Any state will give you your passport. Any state will give you your passport. But most people come to Lagos or go to Abuja to do theirs. But Lagos and Abuja prices are even different from other state prices. Lagos and Abuja prices slightly higher than the other states. My 13th question is, if something comes up, can I change my appointment day? My answer to this question is no and yes. No, you can't change it except you have money to do the process, or you have the strength for the back and forth. And yes, it's very possible for you to change your appointment day, but it will be stressful. I'll tell you that. Let's move on to the next question. The 14th question is, how long does it take to get your international passport, and do I have to be present to get it? It takes from 8 weeks, 1 month, 2 months, and how lucky, it depends on how lucky you are or how you did yours. And yes, you have to be present. You have to be the one. They will not give anybody on your behalf. You have to be the one to take your passport yourself. Okay, let's move on to the next question. The 15th question, number 15th question is, will I do my capture on the same day of my appointment day? The answer to this question is yes, you do your capture and you do everything concerning the passport on the same day of your appointment day, which is your capture day. Okay, in the case where they have network issue, they may ask you to go and come back and give you a new date, which is rare. They do have network, but in a case where they don't, you might be given another date to go and come back. Just pray you finish everything that day and there's no network issue. And number 16th question is appointment day and capture day the same thing? My answer to this question is not really, but most people interchange them. Capture day is when you want to capture, right? While appointment day is the appointment you have chose by yourself to come for your international passport. But I would say the right word to use is your appointment day, because on your slip it's written appointment day. So the appointment day is when you do your capture and do every necessary process and documentation to get your international passport. So guys, my 17th question here is, I am married, can I use my father's name as surname? My answer to this question is no. You're married, and when you're married, you're expected to use your spouse or your husband's name. That's why you tick married. If you tick single, you can use your father's surname, but once you tick married, you're expected to use your spouse or your husband's surname. Okay, the 18th question in here is, it's the swearing of oath very important and necessary? The answer to this question is yes, it is 100% very, very important and very necessary. You must swear that oath. If you don't swear that oath, they will turn you back. You must swear. It is very, very important and 100% necessary. Okay, my 19th question is, swearing of oath, is it free? And my answer to this question, no, it is not free. You would pay some token for it, so it is not free. My last and final question is, will I finish the whole process of the international passport that same day? My answer to this question is yes, you will finish the process, the documentation, everything that same day. The trick is just to come early, start early, go home early. Once there is no network issue, it is very, very fast. The process doesn't take time. So once there is no network issue, the process is fast. You just go like this, like this, like this, and you're done before you know it. Okay, so you finish all your process, all your documentation, everything about the international passport in a day. I have a video where I spoke about what to do after you've picked out your appointment day, everything you need to do. Please, I'll insert the picture of the video here. Go and watch that video to prepare yourself for your international passport and everything you need to do for your international passport, so you finish on time, you do everything on time, finish on time, begin on time, and go home on time, so you don't have to stay there so late. Okay, my sprinkles, these are all the questions I have picked from the numerous questions I have, and these are the questions that keep on reoccurring. So I decided to take them and answer them, film a video and answer them. But if you have a question that I have not touched on or answer, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely answer it. And if you want a part 2 of this video, please leave it in the comment section. I will definitely film that video for you. At this point, what are you waiting for? If you have not subscribed and joined this community, please do the needful. Click on that red subscribe button and subscribe. Turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first to be notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a huge like. It's not easy. This is to encourage us to film more video. Please give this video a huge like, and this video will get to other people. Don't forget to share my videos. Please share my videos. These videos are value packed. other people need to see this video and learn. They might be looking for this video, but with the help of you sharing this video, it might get to them. Please share my video and YouTube will be able to push my other content out to more viewers. Okay, please don't forget to leave your comments. If you have any video you want me to film for you, please leave it in the comment section. I really love interacting with you guys. I will definitely look into it. Okay, please stay safe out there and I really love you all. Bye guys.